A very good morning, my dear students. This is Arul Murugan. Welcome to my digital class. Chapter name Logic Gates, Lecture Video, Part 7. Dear students, in a previous lecture video, we discussed very clearly about XOR gate, which means exclusive OR gate. In today's lecture video, we are going to discuss the fourth derived gate, XNOR gate, which means exclusive NOR gate. We will see. First, what is XNOR gate? We know that the definition of gate is same. In addition, an XOR gate is followed by NOT gate is called XNOR gate. Let me repeat it one more time. An XOR gate, which we discussed in a previous lecture video, kindly refer it. An XOR gate is followed by a NOT gate is become XNOR gate. Dear student, XNOR gate is logically equivalent and inverted XOR gate. What is mean by logically equivalent and inverted XOR gate? Dear students, too simple. First we will check the output condition of XOR gate. We know that if the number of input ones is odd, then the output is 1, otherwise 0. Here in XNOR gate is vice versa. What is that? You can check. The XNOR gate produce 1 as a output when input combination has even number of ones. Can able to identify the difference in XOR gate? XOR gate, previously what we discussed, if it is odd number of input, the output is 1. But here in the XNOR gate, if the number of input ones is odd, then the output is 0. There in the XOR gate, if it is even, then the output is 0, but here if it is even, then the output is 1. Can you able to identify the difference between XOR gate and XNOR gate? My dear students, kindly refer the previous video so that easily you can understand this XNOR gate. It is logically equivalent to an inverted XOR gate. For that we should understand what is XOR gate. About the XOR gate we discussed very clearly in a previous lecture video, kindly refer it. Next, logic diagram. Dear student, the logic diagram of XOR gate is like this. If you add one vowel here, then it will become XNOR gate. XNOR gate. You can see the same XOR gate logic diagram only, but here we added one small vowel, so it has become XNOR gate. The logical symbol was XOR gate plus and vowel, here one dot and vowel. Can you able to identify the differentiate? It is exactly equivalent invert XOR gate. If you use plus here we have to use dot. Here we didn't use any vowel here, but here we are using vowel. Understand? Then how we have to draw the 3 input XNOR gate? Same 1, 2, 3 input. Same here we have to draw the XOR gate symbol. Along with that, here we have to draw one vowel. Understand? So if we give input A, B, C, then what will be the output? A, one small dot oval, this is called X NOR, X NOR, A X NOR, B X NOR, C. Understand? Next, truth table. Dear student, it is very too easy and simple to write the output for X NOR gate. It is vice versa of XOR gate. See, if the number of input is odd, you have to write 0 as the output. If it is even, then the output is 1. We will check one by one. The first combination, 0, 0. How many ones is here? 0 ones. We know that 0 is even number. So the output is 1. Output is 1. Next, 0, 1. We know that how many number of input is here? Only one input. So the output 1 is odd. So if it is odd, we have to write 0 as the output. Next, 1, 0. How many 1 is here? Only 1. Is it odd or even? It is odd. So the output is 0. Next, 1, 1. How many 1? 2, 1. 2 is even. So the output is 1. Dear students, if you feel that this logic is too difficult to keep it in your mind, I will teach another method. You just forget about this logic. You just remember XOR gate logic. According to XOR gate logic, we are going to write here. According to XOR gate logic, 0, 0, we have to write according to even. So here 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, it is odd. So 1, 1, 0, odd number of 1. So 1, 1, 1, even number of 1, 0. So we got the output of XOR gate. Too simple, just to take the complement. If it is 0, what we have to write? We have to write 1. If it is 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Now you can check 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Understand? You can use any logic. You can use this logic also, or you can use that logic also. But you should not forget the logic. Any one. Understand? Now we are going to check the 3 input truth table. Dear student, along with me, you also take a paper and pen. You just write the 3 input combination. We already know that 3 input combination 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. This is the 3 input combination. You just take a paper and pen, write the combination of 3 input, then we will check the output. First combination 0, 0, 0. How many 1 is present here? 0 ones. 0 is odd or even? It is even. According to XNOR gate, if the number of ones is even, what should be the output? Output should be 1. Output should be 1. Understand? Next, 0, 0, 1. How many 1 is present here? Only 1, 1. So it is odd. So output is 0. Along with me, you can also answer. Next, 0, 1, 0. How many 1s is here? Only 1. So it is odd. So if it is odd means 0. Next, 0, 1, 1. How many 1? 2 1 is here. If it is even, then the output is 1. Next, 1, 0, 0. How many 1 is here? Only 1, 1. So 1 is odd. So the output is 0. Next, 1, 0, 1. how many 1 is here? There are 2 1. Then it is even, so the output is 1. Next 1 1 0, how many 1? 2 1. 2 is odd or even? Even, so the output is 1. Next 1 1 1, how many 1? 3 1. 3 is odd or even? Odd, so the output is 0. Dear students, let me tell the output condition one more time. If the number of ones in the input is odd, the output is 0. If the number of ones in the input combination even, then the output is 1. For your better understanding, I will give another combination. See 1 1 1 1. What will be the output? First we have to count the number of ones in the input combination. 1 2 3 4. There are 4 ones are present here. 4, is it odd or even? Even, we know that. If it is even, the output is 1. Understand? Next 1 0 1 1. Now we will count the number of ones in the input combination. 1 2 3. The 3 is odd or even? It is odd. If it is odd, then what should be the output? The output must be 0. Understand? So what is the output condition? Now we are very clear about the output condition. See, the output is 1 if there are even number of ones in the inputs, otherwise 0, or we can say the output is 0 if there are odd number of ones in the inputs. Understand? Dear students, I am going to conclude this video by giving summary. Dear students, what is XOR gate in the sense? A gate have 2 or more input signals but produce only one output signal. Along with that, in addition to that, the XOR gate is followed by a NOT gate is called XNOR gate, or we can say XNOR gate is logically equivalent to an inverted XOR gate. So the output condition, which one is easy? We know that the first we will take one output condition. The output will become 1 when there is odd number of ones in the input combination, otherwise 0. And we studied the logical diagram of XNOR gate. Along with XOR gate, if we add a small vowel in the output place, then it will become XNOR gate. This is 3 input XNOR gate. Next, truth table for 2 input signal 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 1 0 0, 1 1 1. How we get the output? We get the output based on the output condition. Let me tell the output condition one more time. If the number of ones in the input is even, then the output is 1. If the number of ones is in the input combination is odd, then the output is 0. This is 3 input truth table. Based on the output condition, we get the output here. So what is the output condition? The output is 1 if there are even number of ones in the input. Dear students, kindly take the paper and the pen, practice it at least 2 or 3 times, so that you will get the clear idea about this all the gates. Dear students, kindly watch this video one more time. Still, if you have any doubt, feel free to call or message me at any time. Dear students, this is my sincere request to you all. Kindly practice this all the logic gates and take the notes also, so that it will be very easy to in the interactive session time. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. We will see in a next lecture class with some other topic. Thank you very much.